Let's have a closer look and unbox this PDMAX Turbo Fast 33 watt GAN fast charger. Now this is the 2-pack of chargers. It also has a 24-month warranty. Now it says it's good for tablets, cell phones, smartwatches, wireless earbuds, and it'll be good for other small electronics. There's 2 ports on it, the USB-C and the USB-A. Now having a look here at the side quickly, it has charging protection, again the USB-C and A ports, QC 3.0, PD 3.0, PPS, and they're ultra compact. And here's all the technical specs. If you want to have a closer look, just pause the video right here. I'll go ahead and open this up. So in the box, we've got the 33 watt mini charger user manual and then our 2 chargers. Let me pull the plastic off one of these so you can see the finish. So there's one of the chargers there, a nice white glossy finish on it, 33 watt GAN fast charger. On the end here, you've got the USB-C and USB-A ports. It says PDMAX, some nice orange accents inside there. Then you've got your prongs over on that side. If you're wondering about the size, because it is quite small, the overall length, including the prongs, is just under 2 inches or so. And the main housing here, about 1.25 inches. The height, about 1.25 inches as well. And then the depth, another 1.25 inches. So nice small little unit. And again, there's 2 of them in the box. Great option for charging your cell phones, earbuds, tablets, all that kind of stuff with a fast charger. So again, this is the PDMAX Turbo Fast 2-pack of the 33 watt GAN fast chargers.